Today's video was inspired by an inquiry I received very recently, and the question this viewer asked was, how can I revamp my professional image for a better career prospect? Hi there, my name is Jeannie Chia and welcome to my channel where we embark on a journey of intentional living, self-discovery and style evolution. This channel is your one-stop destination for unlocking your purpose, curating a wardrobe that reflects your unique personality, and designing a life that brings you joy and fulfillment. Revamping your professional image is a common goal for many professionals seeking to advance their careers. I received countless inquiries about it, and it could be a topic that resonates with many of you. Before we begin, let's clear up a common misconception. Revamping your professional image isn't about a superficial makeover. It's not about looking good. Instead, it's aligning your outward presentation with your skills, experience, and career aspirations. Think of it as showcasing your authentic self in a way that is polished, impactful, professional, and backed by real results. It is about demonstrating your values while still respecting the culture and norms of your workplace. When done right, your professional image is a powerful tool that can open doors, build trust, and propel your career forward. It's more than how you look. Your professional image is your communication style, your online presence, and the energy you bring to every interaction. Also considering your organization's culture, norms, and the values, as well as the direction your company is heading towards. Respecting your work culture is a fundamental aspect of your professional image. It means understanding and adhering to the unspoken rules, expectations, and values that define your workplace. When you respect your work culture, you're not just fitting in, you are demonstrating that you value your company's identity and that you are a team player. This builds trust, foster healthy working relationships, and could possibly open doors to exciting opportunities within as well as outside your organization. You have complete control over your professional image. You can shape it and use it to level up your career, all while showing respect for the unique environment you work in. This video, I am going to debunk some common myths about professional image and provide you with a step-by-step guide with action tips that can help you revamp your professional image and unlock your full potential at any stage of your career. We'll cover everything you need to know, and that includes understanding how quickly people form impressions and opinions and why your image matters more than you might think. Identify areas and gaps that we can work on. By closing the gaps, we can build for ourselves a thriving career. Doing so requires us to take an honest approach and identify the areas where we can shine even brighter, creating a powerful statement that captures your unique values and sets you apart from the crowd. Learn to unlock your workplace dress code and build a versatile professional wardrobe that boosts your confidence and career trajectory. Whether you are a fresh graduate or seasoned professional, get ready to transform your professional image. Picture this: you walk into a room for a job interview, or you are meeting a potential client for the very first time. In a matter of seconds, they already form an opinion about you. It may sound harsh, but it's true. Studies show that people form impressions within 7 seconds of meeting you. Think of it like mental shortcuts. Our brains are wired to make quick judgments based on visual cues and initial interactions. It may seem unfair, but it's a reality we cannot ignore. And once that impression is formed, it can be difficult to change. It's called the halo effect. A positive image casts a glow on everything else about you. People assume you are competent and trustworthy. And the reverse is also true. A negative first impression can cast a lasting bias that can be difficult to overcome. Now, I know what you are thinking. This isn't fair. It shouldn't be about appearances. Well, you are right. It isn't fair, but it is the reality we live in. We are hardwired to make quick judgments based on visual cues. We believe what we see. The pertinent question is, what can we do about it? Rather than fighting it, we can learn to manage our professional image effectively to establish trust and credibility with people around us. Here's another truth bomb. Your professional image is just the starting line. It's the sparks that ignites interest, the very first chapter in your career story. You may think of it this way. Your image is a beautiful cover of a book. That's it. It is your skills, knowledge, and results that fill the pages and keep people turning them. And I'm sure your proven track record has spoken volumes for your work. Yes, it is a constant balancing act with work that is constantly evolving. Effective professional branding works when it's backed by expertise and a proven track record. It's about showcasing your authentic self and with the skills and knowledge and a dose of healthy perspectives of situations to back it up. So, as you revamp your professional image, recognize that it is one piece of the many moving puzzles. Invest in your growth. Deliver consistent results, which I am sure you are already doing so, and let your professional image reflect the incredible value you bring to the table. Now that we have established why your professional image is so crucial, it's time to turn the spotlight on yourself. Let's take a deep dive into self-assessment and set some empowering goals for your image transformation. Grab a pen and some papers or open a note-taking app on your laptop or phone. We are going to answer some essential questions honestly. Now, let's take a deeper dive into understanding yourself in the workplace. The objective is to help you gain clarity and leverage your unique talents. By gaining a comprehensive understanding of your current situation and desired path and everything in between, we can then tailor a game plan to help you achieve your career goals. Here are the questions. How do others experience you at work? Step outside your own perspective and consider how colleagues, clients, or your boss might describe you. Are you the go-to person for reliability, the one who sparks innovative ideas, a collaborator who brings teams together, someone with untapped leadership potential? Look back at the feedback you have received in performance reviews, casual conversations, or even thank you notes from others. What patterns emerge? Are there specific qualities people consistently mention about you? If you are unsure, don't hesitate to ask for feedback from trusted colleagues or mentors. A fresh and clear perspective can offer valuable insights. Take some time to reflect on your past accomplishments and projects that you have done. What tasks come to you naturally? Where do you feel most energized and engaged? Look for recurrent themes in your successes and the skills you've used to achieve them. These are clues to your natural talents. If you are struggling to pinpoint your strengths, consider taking a scientifically validated assessment like the Clifton Strengths. This assessment can review your talents, like those natural patterns of thinking and behaving that you can leverage for greater success. By combining evidence-based introspection and tools like Clifton Strengths, you can better understand your strengths and how others perceive you. This self-awareness is the foundation for building a powerful and authentic professional image. I have provided the links to the book below and the sites where you can learn about the assessment. These are great resources for understanding the benefits of strengths and offer practical tips for applying them in your professional and personal life. What truly matters to you? What principles drive your decisions? Equally important is understanding your values. What truly matters to you in your career and life? Is it work-life balance, making a meaningful impact, or something entirely different? Ensuring you are pursuing a path that aligns with your deepest beliefs and priorities. Our values can evolve and change over time. What was important to you in your 20s might not be the same as what you prioritize in your 50s. And that's okay. The key is to regularly check in with yourself, reevaluate your values, and make adjustments as needed. By doing so, you can create a career and life that truly fulfills you, one that aligns with who you are at this very moment. What are your career goals? Where do you see yourself in the next year? 5 years, 10 years down the road? Are you aiming for a promotion, a career change, or starting your own business? Your goals will shape your path your professional image needs to take. This is where the rubber meets the road. What skills do you need to acquire or refine? Are there certain habits you need to develop? What kind of mindset will propel you towards building your thriving career? The key is to set clear and achievable goals. Avoid saying, I want a better job. Get specific. Want a promotion? Define what skills and experience you need to acquire. Aiming for a pay increment. Identify ways to demonstrate your value and impact. Looking for a career change. Pinpoint the industries and roles that align with your interests and strengths. Take your time with these questions. The answers you uncover will be your compass as we navigate your professional image transformation. Now that you have taken the time for self-reflection, we shall translate your insights into a personal brand statement that will not only guide your professional journey, but also keep you focused on what truly matters. Think of it as your career's North Star. It's a concise, compelling statement that captures the essence of who you are as a professional, your unique skills, expertise, and the value you bring to the table. It's not just a catchy tagline, it's a reminder of your direction and the impact you want to make. It's your anchor in the ever-changing landscape of the professional world, keeping you grounded in your values and preventing you from chasing fleeting trends that might derail you from your goals. How do you craft a compelling personal brand statement that truly reflects your authentic self? I am going to break it down into 2 simple steps. Choose 3 words that best capture your professional strengths and personality. Think about how others would describe you in a positive light. Consider adjectives like innovative, strategic, collaborative, passionate, results-focused, empathetic, or any others that resonate with you. Combine your adjectives with a brief description of your expertise and the value you offer. Here are some examples to guide you along. A marketer who is customer experience focused. I am a customer-centric marketer, passionate about creating personalized experiences that build brand loyalty and drive revenue growth. A customer-focused business owner. I am a customer-obsessed business owner committed to delivering exceptional products and services that exceed expectations and build lasting relationships with my target users. An empathetic leader. I am an empathetic leader who values diversity, equity, and inclusion. I build strong relationships, actively listen to my team, and create a supportive environment where everyone feels valued and empowered to contribute their best work. Your personal brand statement can evolve as you grow and your career progresses. Hence, you have to review your personal brand statement every few years. Having a well-defined statement serves as a guide that will keep you on the path towards professional fulfillment. Now that you have a crystal clear personal brand statement, it's time to translate that into your wardrobe. Your clothes are more than just fabric. They are a visual representation of your professional identity. Think of your wardrobe as a toolkit for success. Each piece should be strategically chosen to reflect your brand, support your career goals, and align with your company's culture. Let's break it down into a few key steps. Take a good look around your workplace. What's the vibe? Is it a business suit kind of place or smart casual attire the norm? Understanding your company culture is crucial. Law firms, finance, or traditional corporate offices usually require a formal dress code. This usually means suits, dresses, and polished shoes. Business casual allows for more flexibility. Think slacks or khakis, button-down shirts, blouses, sweaters, and skirts. Tech startups, creative agencies, and some modern workplaces tend to have a more smart casual vibe. This could mean jeans, shirts, polo tee, but it doesn't mean sloppy. Pay attention to what your colleagues and superiors are wearing. This will give you a good gauge of what's considered appropriate. But remember, fitting in doesn't mean sacrificing your personal style. You can always add your own unique flair through accessories or subtle details. Now, let's get practical. Your wardrobe needs to work for your lifestyle. If you have a long commute or spend hours on your feet, prioritize comfortable shoes and breathable fabrics. Choose pieces that can transit from day to night or from the office to after-work events. If your job requires you to be active and move around a lot, offer clothes that allow for movement and won't restrict you. Do you need to meet up frequently with your clients? You might need a few more formal or smart casual outfits to make a strong positive impression. The goal is to create a wardrobe that supports your daily routine and makes you feel confident and comfortable in every situation. We have come to the end of this video and you have taken a significant step towards revamping your professional image. You have dived into self-assessment, defined your personal brand, crafted your professional style, and defined your wardrobe needs. Everything we discussed is just the beginning. Your professional image is not a one and done deal. It's an ongoing process of growth, adaptation, and evolution. Now, it's time to take action. I encourage you to create a to-do list based on the tips and insights shared in this video. And I hope this video has given you advice and action steps you can take right now to revamp your professional image and unlock your full potential. With the right mindset and approach, you can achieve amazing things at any stage of your career. I'd love to hear your thoughts, questions, or even your own personal tips for leveling up your professional game. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more lifestyle advice, and share this video with anyone who could use a professional image boost. If you have any burning questions for me, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next one.